be showing you my M4. It's 2019 competition package, as you can see. Good. Yo, Turner, come over here. Let me show them the inside. All right. We got the Sakara orange red guts. You know how we're rocking. Yeah, so give him a little preview of that. Sorry, delete that. That was good for a beginning scene, right? All right, everybody. Let me show you my Vorsteiner Wing. It's carbon fiber. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to get one yourself. And we got the black M4 symbol. Comes with the competition package. It's pretty neat with the white. And we got black tip exhausts. Now this comes stock. I'm gonna change the tips, but these are pretty nice for stock. Alright, I do have this car modded. I have the Stage Tune BOOTMOD3 Tune. It's pushing about 500 wheel horsepower and like 550 wheel torque or so, something around that. I need some intakes, I'm gonna get those later. But yeah, this car is pushing pretty well. Woohoo! Yo, listen to this, you ready?
Yo, crazy. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's the aggressive overrun burble.